Hey guys, my name's Marty and I'm going to cook you one of my all-time favourite burgers, which is a very simple, really delicious smash burger. So in the burger we've got our bun, we've got our beef, we've got cheese, mayonnaise and pickles, and that is it. Now the secret to a really good burger is a screaming hot griddle pan, which we've got over here. I've taken my beef and I've rolled it up into balls, and we are literally, using our spatula, going to smash them flat. So these are on the griddle pan for maybe 1 to 2 minutes either side, and we just drape our cheese on the top, and then once that cheese has started to melt, drape over the burger. We're going to get them off, and like with anything that we do when we're cooking it, especially meat, is we want to rest it. When I'm toasting my buns, if you think about it, you could get butter out of the fridge, slather that on and away you go, that's perfect. But I use mayonnaise, and if you think about it, mayonnaise has 2 of the best ingredients in it. And that egg and that oil and that mayonnaise, it'll season the bun. So all these things that we're doing with the mayonnaise and the toasting, they're all adding layers of flavour to what is a very simple burger. But I'm going to add a little bit of pickles to it, and the reason you add the pickles to it is you've got the richness of the meat. Pickles really cut through with a bit of sharp, acidic flavour. And there you have it. Perfect smash burger down the hatch.